How to enable dark mode on YouTube application. On this video, we'll be learning about enabling dark mode on YouTube application on quick and easy way. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, we'll be learning how to do it. Now without any much delay, let's dive right into the video. First of all, the mandatory thing you have to do is updating any application. So for that, you can open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Once it gets open, you need to tap on the search bar at the top and type in YouTube. As you can see that there is update button next to the application. So you need to simply tap on the update button and update it to the latest version. Once you update the application, you need to proceed towards opening or launching your YouTube app. Make sure you already have logged in or signed into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings page. At the top you will see general options, select it and now scroll down. Here you will find appearance, open it. As you can see that we already have dark theme, but if you have light theme or any other theme, then you can simply select the small circle next to dark theme and then enable dark theme on YouTube app. So that's how we do it. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.